Democratic Party of Artsakh. The Democratic Party of Artsakh, Armenian, Artsakh Žողովրդավարական and Ashot Ghoulyan, DPA, AZHK is a political party in the Republic of Artsakh. It was founded on 30 January 2005. Before that, in 2002-2005, there was an acting socio-political organization called the Democratic Artsakh Union. The chairman of the party is Ashot Ghoulyan, who is also the president of the National Assembly. Following the results of the parliamentary elections of 19 June 2005, as a result of the elections to the National Assembly of the Fifth Convocation, the faction was reformed with 10 members. After the parliamentary elections of 3 May 2015, Democratic Party of Artsakh reformed its faction, with 6 members. 4 MP were elected by a proportional system, 2 MP by a majoritarian system. Ideology. According to its website, the DPA stands for the values of stability, establishing a powerful state, improving democracy, civil society, human rights, and personal freedom and protection, family, work, and social justice, as well as the preservation of the national culture. Political pragmatism is practiced whenever possible. Program. The main goals of the DPA are to build a legal state where the rights of a person to live a free, safe, prosperous, and dignified life are ensured, to strengthen of independent statehood, creation of a powerful, civilized state, enrichment and preservation of national identity, to build a civil society guided by national values, based on social solidarity, justice, tolerance, and partnerships in regards to the settlement of the Nagorno-Karabakh conflict. Electoral record. Parliamentary election results. Foreign relations. On 17 April 2015, the Democratic Party of Artsakh was elected as an associate member of the European Free Alliance. On 2 September 2015, the DPA leader Ashot Ghoulyan and European Free Alliance President Francois Alfonsi signed a declaration on cooperation in Stepanakert.